Are you looking for the top 5 best Bluetooth speakers for every occasion? How much should you actually spend on a Bluetooth speaker? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Bola Buddy Bluetooth Speaker. The Bola Buddy Bluetooth speaker caught my eye right away with its impressive 20 watts of power, especially at a price of just $23.98. If you're looking for a portable speaker that won't break the bank and delivers quality sound, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It features dual drivers that create immersive sound and minimal distortion, perfect whether you're gaming, watching a movie, or just jamming out. The IPX5 waterproof rating means you can take it to the beach or pool without worrying about splashes. Plus, with up to 24 hours of playtime on a single charge, you can enjoy your music all day without interruption. It's also Bluetooth 5.3 compatible, providing a solid wireless range of up to 100 feet. I noticed that over 10,000 people bought it last month, which says a lot about its popularity. Now, some people complained about the sound quality not being as rich as higher-end models. Here's the thing though, it performs well for casual listening, and if you're just using it for outdoor gatherings or parties, it does the job nicely. This is perfect for you if you're an outdoor adventurer or someone who loves throwing backyard parties. Skip this one if you're an audiophile looking for studio quality sound. For the price, you really can't go wrong with the value it offers. Now, if the sound quality concern bothered you, this next one.
Product number 2, Ortizen X10 Portable Speaker. Next up is the Ortizen X10 Portable Bluetooth Speaker, priced at $31.99. What caught my attention was its impressive 24 watts of output and IPX7 waterproof rating, making it an excellent choice for any outdoor enthusiast. If you want a speaker that promises deep bass and excellent sound clarity, this is worth a serious look. This speaker comes with a hi-fi stereo sound experience thanks to its dual drivers and passive radiators that deliver crisp treble and enhanced bass. It also boasts an RGB light show that syncs to your music, creating an ambiance that's perfect for parties. With an incredible 30 hours of playtime, you can enjoy your music throughout the day and night without worrying about recharging. The Bluetooth 5.3 technology allows for reliable connectivity from up to 66 feet away, making it super convenient. It's no surprise that it's gained a lot of traction, with over 10,000 units sold last month. However, some users mentioned that the lights can be a bit distracting in certain situations. But here's the thing, if you're at a party or outdoors, those lights actually enhance the atmosphere. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a speaker that doubles as a party light show. Skip this one if you're strictly after serious sound without any frills. For its price and performance, it's a solid investment for fun gatherings. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next product number 3, Chifinchi Portable Speaker. Coming in at just $19.99, the Chifinchi Portable Bluetooth Speaker is an affordable option that doesn't skimp on quality. It's compact and lightweight, making it perfect for anyone on the go. If you want a budget-friendly speaker that packs a punch, this is worth a serious look. This speaker provides 15 watts of peak power and is IPX5 waterproof, meaning it can handle splashes and rain. With its dynamic light show that dances to the beat of your music, it's ideal for beach days or backyard parties. Plus, with up to 15 hours of playtime, it ensures you have music throughout your adventures. Its Bluetooth 5.3 technology offers a stable connection up to 100 feet away. It's no wonder this model has also sold over 10,000 times recently. Now, some users have pointed out that it lacks a bit of bass compared to pricier models. But if you're not looking for booming bass and just want something fun for casual use, this won't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you enjoy outdoor activities or need a speaker to accompany your travels. Skip this one if you need high-end audio quality for serious listening. For under $20.
Product number 4, DB Sono Portable Bluetooth Speaker. Next on the list is the DB Sono Portable Bluetooth Speaker, priced at just $14.99. It's incredibly affordable and surprisingly powerful for its size. If you're looking for a compact speaker that won't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. This little speaker delivers 10 watts of output and offers TWS pairing, so you can connect two for a stereo effect. It's IPX5 weather resistant, meaning it's great for outdoor usage without the fear of damage. With up to 24 hours of playtime, it's perfect for long days out, and the colorful light show adds a fun touch to any gathering. The Bluetooth 5.3 connection ensures a quick and stable link to your devices, contributing to its popularity with over 9,000 units sold last month. Some users did mention the sound can be a bit thin, especially at higher volumes, but honestly, if you're using it for casual listening or at gatherings, it performs quite well for the price. This is perfect for you if you're a budget-conscious buyer or someone who loves to take music on the go. Skip this one if you need deep thumping bass. For the price, it's a fan.
Product number 5, Ankoon speakers. Finally, we have the Ankoon Bluetooth speaker, priced at $59.99. This one really caught my attention with its 80 watts of peak power, making it a great choice for serious sound lovers. If you want a speaker that delivers loud and clear sound for outdoor events, this is worth a serious look. This speaker is IPX6 waterproof and built for durability, making it ideal for use in rugged environments like construction sites or outdoor parties. With its deep bass technology and TWS capability, you can pair two speakers for an even more immersive experience. It boasts a massive 10,000 mAh battery that lasts up to 20 hours, so you can keep the tunes going all day long. With Bluetooth 5.3 for seamless connectivity, it's no surprise that this model has garnered attention with over 3,000 units sold lately. However, some users found it a bit bulky compared to smaller models. But here's the thing, if you prioritize sound quality and durability over portability, this is a small price to pay. This is perfect for you if you need a powerful speaker for outdoor events or work sites. Skip this.
So to wrap things up, we've covered the Bulla Buddy for budget-friendly fun, the Ortizan for party vibes, the Chiffinchi for the casual listener, the DB Sono for on-the-go convenience, and the Ankoon for powerful sound. Each of these speakers has something unique to offer depending on